was the 25th of April 2010, 33 Lurline Drive in Proserpine. Erin had been floating around town and she sent me a text out of nowhere to see what I was up to that night. She came over and at the end of the night everyone went home but Erin stayed. And I just thought to myself, she must be bored, there's not much to do in Proserpine.
Try not to let it show. All your friends and family seem to notice how big it gets to you when you are ready.
Later that night, everyone went to bed and Erin was still there. I thought she must be really bored. And then in the morning, Mum walked in and she looked as surprised as me when she saw a girl in my bed. And now here we are today.
I remember when Adam brought me out here for the first time. I was absolutely taken away by the beauty of the place, and I even said to Adam that this would be a stunning place for a wedding. When Adam proposed, we both knew straight away where we would be getting married. The farm has always been a special place, and it now means even more to the both of us.
I'd like to welcome you all here today to celebrate the amazing wedding of Bruno and Lola's mum and dad, Erin and Adam. Today is the day that two school captains are finally becoming husband and wife.
Heard you rolling in the good times out west. Went to the desert to find your destiny and place.
Sometimes I think I've found the holy grail of men. You have amazing beard growing skills. You always put the toilet seat down and you wash up without being asked. What more does a woman want?
Incredibly beautiful. She's intelligent, she's successful, and she amazes us. I'm very proud of you, Emma. We got you to 26, now it's Adam's problem.
I will break you in. I like the fight in you. You like to win. But if this time you feel my love has grown too thin, then I would lend you my skin. I'd lend you my.
There are so many things I admire about you. You're smart, a great cook, have great taste in everything, especially choosing husbands. You make me laugh and feel loved, and you show me how family should be loved. Plus you have the most incredible smile I've ever seen. I can always see you smiling whenever I think of you.
I love your amazing organisational skills. When you created a colour-coded Excel spreadsheet with drop-down lists while we were wedding planning, I knew we were made for each other.
It is now, with the greatest of happiness and honour, that after 6 amazing years together, and 106 yet to come, that I pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
I used to try and assert authority by saying, well, I'm the oldest, so what I say goes. She used to look at me with these like cold, dead eyes, and she'd say, well, because you're the oldest, you're just going to die first.
Adam, we've grown together, and in so many ways we have grown up together too. The future is something that I've always been able to envision with you, and tonight has been the greatest start of the rest of our lives together.
So for all the previously mentioned reasons, plus I forgot to mention that she's a kick-ass cook, it's no surprise that I gave her the promotion she's always wanted, from girlfriend to wife. You're an absolute catch, Erin, and I'm thrilled to say that you're the one for me.